29. White light consists of many wavelengths. The wavelength of red light R is approximately twice the wavelength of violet light. So the wavelength of red light is twice, or the wavelength of red light is more. When white light is incident normally on the diffraction grating, several spectra can be formed, which diagram shows the possible distribution of light in the first order and the second order spectra. So we know the equation for the diffraction grating, that d sin theta is equal to n lambda, where d is constant since 1 by n is constant, where n is the number of lines. So number of lines per meter is constant, so d is constant, and n is also same. Now n is same because here we have given that the first order and the second order, that is first order and the second order, so n is also same. So we get a relationship that is sin theta is directly proportional to lambda, and since we know that the wavelength of red light is more, so sin theta is more for red light. So since sin theta is more for red light, that means the angle is more for red light. So the angle is more for red light than compared to blue light, violet light. So the angle for red light is more, this is less, so this is wrong. Then also comparing red and violet light, the angle of red light is less, so this is wrong. But here we can see that the angle of red light is more than the violet light, so this could be the answer. Then the angle of red light is more than the violet light, so this could be the answer. So either C or D. Then the answer could be either C or D. Then if we just see what are the waves that are formed, then white light passes through the diffraction grating and it forms the zero order, then the first order and the second order. So we can see that the first order is formed in this way, then the second order is quite spread out. So the second order is quite spread out, so it would increase. So we can see that the answer D is obviously wrong, and the answer could be same as answer C. So the first order is quite spread out and the second order is much spread out, so it is answer C. It would be obviously answer C.